Fun on the go. So we're working on this project for Lego. Fun on the go. Fun on the go. This is going in the Philadelphia airport. So normally we would have printed this on bigger sheets, but because size of the job and the fact that everything else we're doing is getting a gloss finish, for some reason they wanted a matte finish on this, tiling all these pieces together to do the install since it's at an airport, and they only will allow us to do the installation